This is a video walkthrough tour of 6074 West Golden Lane in Glendale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Glendale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Glendale. Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse with modern updates. This charming home offers 1,026 square feet of living space. The interior features tile flooring in the common areas, providing durability and easy maintenance. Both bedrooms are well-sized, and the bathroom is conveniently located upstairs. And as you can see, the bedrooms are carpeted for extra comfort. This property is conveniently located near local schools, shopping centers, and major highways, providing easy access to the greater Glendale area. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thanks for watching the tour and have a wonderful day.